Hi guys, in this video, we will be sharing with you the best affiliate programs to make money. If you have other recommendations, please let us know in the comments below. Number 18 is Grammarly. Proofreading and plagiarism detection are two of Grammarly's features. Grammarly has gained the trust of over 10 million active users because of its robust set of high-quality services. With Grammarly's affiliate program, you have a good chance of making money. Bonuses range from 20 cents for free trial registrations to $25 for blogging about the service and employing the affiliate banner ad for first-time sign-up. Aside from that, each premium upgrade is worth a total of $20. With your affiliate links' 10% commission on their lifetime earnings, you'll be able to make even more money from your referrals. Grammarly's sole drawback is the lack of a regular payment mechanism. Higher-priced subscriptions may not be affected by this. Even to break even, you may have to expand sales of lower-cost services. Number 17 is Adidas. When it comes to sporting goods, Adidas has risen to prominence. If this is something you're interested in, Adidas has an affiliate program that pays between 7% and 10% of gross purchases, so you're in luck. In addition, all affiliates have access to the necessary marketing tools and assistance to succeed. Linking, banners, deep linking, and caption templates are just a few of the assets that may be used to promote your business. The only drawback is that you must already have a following that matches Adidas' ideal client profile. Particularly young sports fans, ranging in age from 18 to 24. Number 16 is Microsoft 365. Microsoft Office programs and cloud-based productivity tools are all included in Microsoft 365. OneDrive and Skype come to mind as noteworthy examples. Unlike Microsoft Office, Microsoft 365's monthly or yearly fees are recurring. As a result, the Microsoft 365 affiliate program is an excellent method to generate steady, long-term revenue streams while doing nothing. You may also claim your commissions at any time, regardless of how much you sell. Microsoft has a high brand authority, which means there will always be a demand for its products. This makes this program fantastic. In addition, Microsoft 365's marketing resources make it simple to spread the word. Microsoft 365, on the other hand, only offers flat rewards. In addition, you must wait 90 days before claiming your money. Number 15 is Twitch. Viewer subscriptions rather than links are the source of revenue for this program, unlike the other affiliate programs on this list. Each of the three pricing tiers has a starting price of $4.99. Ad-free watching and personalized emotes are included in every package. Amazon Prime subscribers may now get a free subscription to the show. Tipping and a unique currency known as bits are two ways that Twitch affiliates may make money via tips and support for their favorite streamers. You must have at least 50 followers in order to become a Twitch affiliate. In addition, over the course of a month, at least 3 people watch a 500-minute show in its entirety on 7 separate days. Number 14 is Zyro Website Builder. AI-powered drag-and-drop website builder Zyro is aimed at those without any coding skills. It's a substantial commission program for a new one. To be compensated, you must, however, generate at least $100 in sales. Furthermore, only transactions that have been completed more than 35 days ago are eligible. Being a new product has its advantages and disadvantages. Due to lower affiliate competition, the offer has a better chance of success. On the other hand, it may take some time for the brand to build a following. Number 13 is Booking.com. In addition to Booking.com, another well-known company with good affiliate offerings, Booking.com has over 2 million lodgings to market. In terms of commissions, this is one of the highest paying options available to affiliates. More than 500 bookings a month can result in a 40% payment, which rises as the number of bookings per month increases. On the other hand, Booking.com's minimum payment is $110, and the cookie time is likewise relatively short. There must be a transaction performed during the first viewing session of the website. Because if it isn't, it won't be logged. It is also worth noting that the money will not be sent until 2 months after the reservation has been made. Number 12 is Agoda. Affiliates of Agoda's airfare and hotel affiliate program earn commissions based on the number of reservations they generate on a monthly basis. If you make 40 appointments a month, you'll get paid 5% commission on each one. Once you have driven at least 1,000 reservations, this percentage can rise to 7%. Unfortunately, in order to get payouts, you must earn at least $200. This may be feasible for certain affiliates, but it's not for the majority of them. In addition, the referral period only lasts for the initial visit to the link. Number 11 is Tripadvisor. Online vacation booking site Tripadvisor has a vast database of more than 500,000 cities and is available in over 40 languages. There are banners and widgets, as well as links. One of the top affiliate marketing programs for profit on this list has an up to 75% conversion rate, as anticipated from a well-known business. The cookie tracker, on the other hand, is only good for one day. Tripadvisor's services cannot be white-labeled, thus you'll need to find another way to do it if you wish to. Number 10 is GoPro. If you're a fan of action cameras and want to make money by marketing similar affiliate items, this is a great chance for you. GoPro has connections with Amazon and CJ Affiliate, both of which take a 4% and a 5% cut, respectively, of the revenue generated. As for cookie duration, Amazon's cookies last for a day, but CJ Affiliate's cookies endure for a month. The GoPro affiliate program, on the other hand, is exclusively available to residents of the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. In addition, only PayPal may be used to make a purchase. Number 9 is eBay Partner Network. The eBay Partner Network is one of the most popular affiliate marketing networks. It has more than 182 million members and more than 300 categories to select from. If you're looking for a wide range of themes, this is a great affiliate program. What you may make on this marketplace varies by product type, just as on other online markets. However, on average, affiliates may anticipate sales and auctions to bring in between 50 and 70% of their revenue. Real estate, for example, can only bring in $100 in profit, no matter how much it's worth. To make the most of the 7-day auction periods, it is vital to understand that cookies only endure for 24 hours. Number 8 is ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the greatest affiliate networks for individuals who are just getting started in this field, since you don't need to get permission from a merchant to begin marketing their products. There are relatively few merchants that would deny your application if you don't meet their requirements. Recurring commissions are common in many of the offers on this network, making them ideal for marketers wishing to automate their campaigns in order to increase conversions and income. In addition, it's worth noting that the ClickBank affiliate network has always paid on time and delivers generous payments. Many of the merchants listed on the dashboard will also supply you with marketing materials and page text, such as pre-sale pages, product photos, and logo designs. If you ask nicely, promoting your offer in a trustworthy manner and increasing your conversions are both possible with all of the promotional materials you've collected so far. There are a few things to bear in mind if you decide to use ClickBank as your first affiliate marketing network, but it's a good place to start. The primary disadvantage of ClickBank is its popularity, which means that competition for these items is severe. With high approval rates and no quality control on ClickBank's part, it may appear as though the most obvious money-making goods are already saturated with other affiliates. Another disadvantage is that this network's return rates are significantly greater than those of some of the other programs on our list. Number 7 is Fiverr affiliates. Consider joining the Moment Squad if you're a photographer who enjoys traveling and taking photos. Not only will you be paid between 6 and 15% for each recommendation, but you'll also be paid 10% for marketing courses and $100 if you book a trip. You will also have access to a network of other creative professionals, including photographers and graphic designers, when you join Moment's affiliate program. It's a great chance to learn while also getting first dibs on some cool goods. One drawback, though, is that payments sometimes take a long time to process. You'll have to wait at least 2 months before you get paid as an affiliate marketer. It takes 90 days to process travel-related orders. Number 6 is Elementor. It's estimated that more than 7% of all websites in the world are built using Elementor, a dynamic drag and drop website builder. Elementor customers can personalize and grow their WordPress website building process without writing a single line of code, thanks to hundreds of widgets, integrations, website templates, and design tools. For the first time, Elementor has added cloud hosting to its list of capabilities for WordPress website builders. Elementor, on the other hand, is more than just a piece of software. It has a large online community of web designers and developers who exchange ideas, organize events, and encourage one another to keep improving their skills. Affiliates of Elementor get 50% of each sale. There are 5 yearly subscription plans available, with prices ranging from $49 to $999. To make it easier for affiliates to target certain customers, the company has a wide range of price levels available. Elementor is an appealing alternative to examine, with noteworthy affiliates making over $10,000 a month. Number 5 is Bluehost. Hosting provider Bluehost, which serves over 2 million domains, has a fantastic affiliate program for businesses and entrepreneurs that want to make money through their blogs and web pages. A whopping $65 to $130 per sale you create from your own website or blog while promoting Bluehost's products or services is possible if you use bespoke banners or links. Best of all, Bluehost's affiliate program is free to join, and they give dependable tracking to verify that each lead they send is credited to your account. Additionally, Bluehost has affiliate managers on staff who may provide assistance and advice on an as-needed basis. Number 4 is Shopify. Shopify has established itself to be a global leader in the dropshipping business with approximately 2 million merchants worldwide. You may launch an online store with Shopify's website builders, shopping carts, web hosting, store management tools, analytics capabilities, and more. Shopify's affiliate program may be a good fit for you if your audience is interested in e-commerce and requires help setting up an online business. There is a 200% commission on the monthly subscription fee, up to $2,400, that may be earned by affiliates. A bounty payment of $2,000 is also given to you when a referral registers up for Shopify Plus. As a Shopify affiliate, you'll also get priority assistance for your own Shopify store, as well as free Shopify content to promote to your followers. It's completely free to join the program. The primary disadvantage may be that this program's target audience is rather specialized. Since you'll require people who are interested in selling things online, but do not yet have a reliable e-commerce platform. Number 3 is Wix. Wix may be a good fit if you're looking for a simple way to earn endless cash with little effort. Because the site hosting platform is so popular and puts no restriction on how many premium referrals you can get, which implies that you've already made $1,000, the web development firm is one of the best ways to make money online. To make it simple for you to incorporate a connection to Wix, they offer banners and landing pages in several languages. However, you must meet a minimum monthly sales objective of $300 in order to get paid. If you make less than that, your earnings will stay in your account until you reach that benchmark. Even if your website, blog, or social media channels are regularly visited by prospects who could be interested in constructing their own website on a hosting platform, this program might be an excellent choice for you if you're not confident that your sales volume will keep up over time. Number 2 is CJ, Commission Junction. The most well-known affiliate network includes a wide variety of high-profile companies and offers. There are several well-known names here, such as Barnes & Noble, GoPro, Verizon, and many more. You may make a lot of money on CJ by advertising their deals as an affiliate. Visit their offers page right now, or use the search bar to get what you're searching for quickly. You may narrow down the results to only those with high conversion and commission rates based on criteria like 7-day and 3-month EPC, as well as network profits. Select an offer, seek approval, and then take your links to advertise after the process is complete. In addition, you may use the DeepGo generator to link directly to a specific offer page rather than the home page. Other important features include the widget builder. Drag and drop items to build a slideshow, collage, or grid that shows off your chosen products to your audience. Your commissions will be paid to you 30 days after they've been produced because CJ pays on a net 30 basis. Once you've earned $50, you'll be able to pick between direct deposit, check, or pay in ear. Number 1 is Amazon Associates. An affiliate network with more than 2 million product developers and marketers is Amazon Associates. It is a marketplace with a large range of things from which to choose, making it suitable for people of all interests. The conversion rate of Amazon Associates is high because of Amazon's brand power. However, industry-specific commission rates might vary. In the case of items that may be purchased with Amazon coins, the maximum fixed rate is 10%. As for groceries, physical video games, and video game consoles, the lowest rate is 1%. Check out this page for a detailed breakdown of all available tariffs. In addition, Amazon's cookies expire after only 24 hours. Adding a product to a customer's basket extends the offer's expiration date to a further 90 days. Customers who add other things to their carts within the first 24 hours of making a purchase are also tracked by cookies. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to help us to like and share. If you have yet to subscribe to our channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly hit on the bell icon, so that you will be able to receive notification when we launch a new video. See you in the next video.